Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world.
Yes, sir.
And English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press U.K. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 26 and teach you how to use present continuous tense for the future in our day-to-day life. For example, I am going to do something. It means I have already decided to do it. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 26. I am going to. Section A. I am going to do something. I am going to watch TV this evening. She is going to watch TV this evening. We use am, is, are, going to for the future. For example, I am going to do, I am going to drink, I am going to watch. He is going to do, he is going to drink, he is going to watch. She is going to do, she is going to drink, she is going to watch. It is going to do, it is going to drink, it is going to watch. We are going to do, we are going to drink, we are going to watch. You are going to do, you are going to drink, you are going to watch. They are going to do, they are going to drink, they are going to watch. Am I going to buy? Am I going to eat? Am I going to wear? Is he going to buy? Is he going to eat? Is he going to wear? Is she going to buy? Is she going to eat? Is she going to wear? Is it going to buy? Is it going to eat? Is it going to wear? Are we going to buy? Are we going to eat? Are we going to wear? Are you going to buy? Are you going to eat? Are you going to wear? Are they going to buy? Are they going to eat? Are they going to wear? Section B. I am going to do something. It means I have decided to do it. My intention is to do it. You can see the timeline. For example, I am going to buy some books tomorrow. Sarah is going to sell her car. I am not going to have breakfast this morning. I am not hungry. What are you going to wear to the wedding next week? Your hands are dirty. Yes, I know. I am going to wash them. Are you going to invite Mark to your party? We also use the present continuous I am doing for the future, usually for arrangements. I am playing tennis with Julia tomorrow. Section C. Something is going to happen. It means we can see now that it is sure to happen. For example, look at the sky. It's going to rain. Oh dear, it's 9 o'clock and I am not ready. I am going to be late. Now it's time for exercises. 26.1. What are these people saying? Number 1. I am going to watch TV. Number 2. I am going to have a bath. Number 3. I am going to buy a new car. Number 4. We are going to play football. 26.2. Complete the sentences. Use going to plus these verbs. Do, eat, give, lie down, stay, walk, wash, watch, wear. Number 1. My hands are dirty. I am going to wash them. Number 2. What are you going to wear to the party tonight? Number 3. It's a nice day. I don't want to take the bus. I am going to walk. Number 4. Steve is going to London next week. He is going to stay with some friends. Number 5. I am hungry. I am going to eat this sandwich. Number 6. It's Sarah's birthday next week. We are going to give her a present. Number 7. Sue says she is feeling very tired. She is going to lie down for an hour. Number 8. Your favorite program is on TV tonight. Are you going to watch it? Number 9. What is Rachel going to do when she leaves school? 26.3. Look at the pictures. What is going to happen? Number 1. It's going to rain. Number 2. The shelf is going to fall down. Number 3. The car is going to take turn. Number 4. He is going to kick the ball. 26.4. What are you going to do today or tomorrow? Write 3 sentences. Number 1. I am going to phone Maria this evening. Number 2. I am going to get up early tomorrow. Number 3. I am going to buy some shoes tomorrow. Now, this is the end of unit number 26. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 27. Till then, bye bye.